Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab, and today I'm going to be talking about a third brake overlay for your Ineos Grenadier. Of course, this just fits the SUV with this high mount brake light right here. What we are doing is putting a vinyl over it. This is just clear vinyl, and then it's printed like 3 times with black ink so that we mask off all of this until we get the Grenadier logo right there. If you go to the product page, you can see this in use, and I also have a video installing a similar item on a Land Cruiser. I'm not going to go through the full install, but in general, you want to park this in the shade because the sun, like right here, I wouldn't do it right now, it will make the vinyl really soft. You want to control the amount of heat that you put into your vinyls when you're installing them. You don't want the sun just to make it so warm that it kind of just stretches and becomes like really super flimsy. What I want you to have is a little felt tip squeegee, some StickerFab insulation fluid, or you can use like 3 drops of dish soap mixed in with a cup of water, and you'll have a microfiber. You can use that soapy mixture to kind of clean all of this off. You want to clean the top side, the bottom side, and the surface, and then spray down that vinyl as you peel it off of the backing paper. Spray it down with your soapy mixture, and also spray your fingers. That helps prevent oils and whatnot from your fingers to getting on that adhesive and either being visible on the vinyl or kind of degrading that adhesive. Make sure your hands are always clean when installing this stuff. In general, clean around this area because you don't want any of those contaminants getting into your install. And this is really easy to install. The vinyl comes with 2 pieces just in case you mess one up, but it is essentially a rectangle. So center the Grenadier logo on this and get it down and start pushing the water out with your fingers first. You want to get as much as you can with your fingers first, and then you'll have that flap going up and that flap going down. Kind of just roll your finger over the edge right there. Keep on rolling your finger over the edge until all of it's down, and then once all of it's down, you can kind of push it out with your finger left and right. I wouldn't immediately just go like that. It's better to just kind of roll it all over there and then kind of push it out that way. You can see this little mark right here, and I think it's from the injection molding. You might have some bubbles left over after your install, but once it's been in the sun for a while, a lot of those bubbles should come out. Do the same thing for the bottom. Roll it under there until it's all touching the bottom, and then you can kind of go out to the sides, and then you'll probably get some water in these little channels, kind of push that out. And then once it's down as much as you can do with that, gently start using your squeegee. Try to use enough force to bundle up all of that remaining liquid at once. I had some issues just because I was doing it in the sun. That's why I don't recommend doing that. That's where you can stretch out the vinyl as you're squeegeeing. So don't get this really warm. Don't have it in direct sunlight while you're doing that. But that's the final product. Go visit my website at StickerFab.com. Look up this product. You'll see that video that I mentioned earlier of this in use on and off, and you'll also see a full video of an install on a Land Cruiser. Very similar product. Thanks a lot. If you guys want to, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for the Ineos Grenadier.